DIVI Group is pleased to introduce our high-efficiency liquid-fueled DIVI boiler. Designed compactly with a furnace tube, door tube, and natural circulation valve structure or a water tube boiler structure with multiple vertically or horizontally placed valves depending on the customer's capacity and space requirements. This system saves space and construction costs while ensuring easy operation, maintenance convenience, and high aesthetic quality. From the design and procurement of materials and equipment to the manufacturing process, everything is closely monitored to ensure the liquid-fueled boiler system operates stably with a minimum lifespan of 15 years. The system is fully automatically controlled by PLC, significantly saving on operating labor. Specifically, the entire system for capacities under 30 tons of steam per hour requires only one operator per shift, thus saving a substantial amount of operating labor costs compared to other types of boilers. The fuel is burned in the combustion chamber using a multi-stage burner or a computer-controlled burner. Fuel supply to the boiler is regulated by the boiler's pressure signals. When pressure drops, the burner automatically increases the fuel supply, and when boiler pressure rises, it decreases the fuel supply to maintain stable boiler pressure, ensuring fuel is supplied efficiently according to the plant's needs and saving fuel while meeting environmental standards. DIVI Boiler's liquid-fueled boiler is designed to burn various fuels as per customer requests, such as diesel, mazut, gas, CNG, LNG, with very high efficiency and stable steam generation. The system is optimized to minimize heat loss to the environment, enhancing boiler efficiency up to 95%. Due to the clean nature of the fuels used, this type of boiler does not require a complex exhaust treatment system, except for the use of certain high-sulfur fuels such as mazut oil, oil extracted from cashew nut shells, and refined rubber oil. An additional absorption tower system must be equipped to ensure emissions into the environment meet the standards regulated by Vietnam and international norms. Water quality is continuously monitored to ensure the boiler operates reliably, maintaining high efficiency, stable fuel consumption, and longevity. To commit to our boiler manufacturing quality, we offer a warranty for the main pressure part of the boiler for up to 60 months from delivery and support continuous operation monitoring for 5 years with our customers. This ensures customers can use the boiler long-term without incurring major repair costs. DIVI Group prides itself on being a reputable, quality, and dedicated boiler solution provider, meeting various customer needs. DIVI Group offers several options: technology transfer and operational guidance for customers purchasing DIVI Group boilers, low-cost operation and maintenance responsibility for customers, full investment in the boiler system by DIVI Group, and steam operation as per customer demand with full responsibility for the boiler system. The liquid-fueled boiler system ensures customer production confidence due to its stable, durable operation, simplicity, and absolute environmental compliance.
DIVI Group, striving to bring prosperity to our partners.